Welcome to the second annual dunk show. Thomas is gonna go first. Alex is on trip of a lifetime. Baseball practice. Go. Ow, what a dunk. Here comes Mitchell. That's me. Bounce. Oh. Misses it. I missed. After this, after you watch this video, remember to vote. Here's Thomas. He missed.
Second try.
Second try.
Wow, awesome dunk.
What a dunk. That was beast. Hi.
Whoa.
Third dunk.
Second retard.
Third dunk. Second dunk, whatever. Just leave.
Oh.
Make sure to vote. They know. But they don't. Hold on, Thomas. And here goes Thomas. Ooh, it's coming at me. Here's Thomas. Okay, after this shot, we'll have our final round. Get it down. This will be Thomas's last dunk.
Now give me a good throw. Alley.
He wants an alley-oop. Here we go. Ow! What a way to finish off the dunk contest.
Okay, here's Mitchell's last dunk. Remember to vote again. I say it better.
Okay. What's gonna happen? Oh, the backwards dunking. Bye-bye, folks.